Today we are discussing topic quadrilateral and its types, class 6 maths NCERT. First of all, quadrilateral, a simple figure obtained by joining four straight line segments is called a quadrilateral, or a polygon with four sides is known as quadrilateral. These are the figures of some quadrilaterals you can see in the screen. Now adjacent sides of a quadrilateral, this is very important topic of this exercise. Two sides of a quadrilateral which have a common end point are called adjacent sides. In this quadrilateral you can see the two sides which have the common end point are called adjacent sides, like AB and BC. In these two sides you can see angle B or point B is common. In BC and CD you can see C is common. In CD and DA, D is common. And in DA and AB, A is common. So AB and BC are adjacent sides, BC and CD are adjacent sides, CD and DA are adjacent sides, and DA and AB are adjacent sides as they have one point in common. Now this is our second topic, opposite sides of a quadrilateral. So opposite sides of quadrilateral are the two sides that do not have a common endpoint. They are called opposite sides. Or we can say the sides which are not adjacent. These sides are called opposite sides. In the given figure you can see AB and CD are opposite sides. As you can see, AB, A and B point is there, and in CD, C and D point is there, and both don't have any common point. AD and BC, same in AD and BC, there is no common point as they are opposite sides of the quadrilateral. Now adjacent angles of the quadrilateral. So two angles of a quadrilateral having a common arm are called its adjacent angles. तो ऐसे दो एंगल जो कि एक कॉमन आर्म पे बने हो, मीन्स एक ही साइड पे जो दो एंगल बने होंगे उनको हम एडजेसेंट एंगल्स कहेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन सी इन दिस फिगर एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी बोथ आर ऑन द साइड ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए बी. सो ए एंड बी आर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. सेम बी, एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी, दे आर ऑन बी सी साइड or on the side BC. That's why angle B and C are adjacent angles. Same as angle C and angle D, both are on the side of CD. That's why angle C and angle D are adjacent angles, and angle A and angle D are also adjacent as they are on the side AD. मीन्स अगर किसी सेम साइड पे दो एंगल्स बन रहे हैं तो वो दोनों आपस में एडजेसेंट एंगल्स होंगे. Now this is our topic, opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Two angles of a quadrilateral which are not adjacent angles are known as opposite angles. तो ऐसे एंगल जो कि एडजेसेंट नहीं होंगे उनको हम अपोजिट कहेंगे, या फिर जो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन का एंगल होता है वो अपोजिट एंगल कहा जाता है. इन द गिवन फिगर यू कैन सी A is opposite of C and B is opposite of D. So that's why these are the opposite angles of a quadrilateral, and it is also written adjacent vertices of a quadrilateral. These are as same as adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. So here adjacent vertices are A and B, B and C, C and D, and D and A. Now types of quadrilateral, mainly there are 6 types of quadrilaterals: square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and kite. And the main topics to be studied in our classes is square and rectangle, and left we will study further. But the square is there, then square you can see it has these properties: all four sides of a square are equal, all angles of a square are equal, and it is of 90 degree. सारी साइड्स जो होती हैं स्क्वायर की वो इक्वल होती हैं और सारे एंगल्स जो होते हैं वो भी इक्वल होते हैं और 90 डिग्री के होते हैं. Diagonals of square are also equal. In this figure you can see that red dotted line, this is diagonal of square and both the diagonals of square are equal. Diagonal of square bisect each other at 90 degree. जो diagonals होती है, ये जो dotted line है आपस में bisect करती हैं 90 डिग्री पे. That's why these are, we can say these bisect each other at 90 degree. Now rectangle, so opposite sides of rectangle are equal. All angles of rectangle are equal and are of 90 degree. Square में सारी sides equal होती हैं जबकि rectangle में only opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. All the angles of rectangle are equal and are of 90 degree. Diagonals of rectangle are also equal and diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. This is same as square.